In this video, you'll learn how to set up your categories for modules, scripts, and workflows. The category feature can help you group your content. Once you're logged into Transit and you see your home page, click on the Org Setting Building icon. Within your Org Setting menu, there are 3 separate categories you'll need to set up. The planned category is still available and works similar to the 3 other categories highlighted in this video. This video will demonstrate how to set up your script categories. The setup for modules, plans, and workflow categories use the same steps. Click the script category. You have 2 options to set up your categories. To add a new category, click the Add Script Category icon. Enter the name, sequence number, and a description for your new category and click Save. To quickly edit a category, double-click a cell or right-click and select Edit. There are 2 advantages to using the sequence numbering feature. To reorder your category drop-down list, use the sequence column and update the numbers from lowest to highest. Using the sequence numbering option, you can also display your frequently used content at the top of your list automatically or have your content built based on your support teams. To remove a category option from your drop-down list, tick the Mark for Deletion row. Importing your categories from an Excel file is useful if you have a number of categories to set up. To download a template, right-click the blue heading and select Export to Excel. Note, to use the Import to Excel feature, the column headings must match the column headings displayed in Transit. Once you've downloaded your template and added your information to your Excel file, it is ready to be imported into Transit. To import your file into Transit, right-click the blue header and select Import from Excel. Choose your file and click Import. Now our categories are set up, we can assign a category to our content. Click on the Scripts icon. Highlight the rows and use the right-click Change Category option. From the drop-down list, select the category that we just set up. Click Save. To set up your modules, plans, and workflow categories, you can follow the same process.